Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law, every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. right here on News 96.5. And this is the time of the show where I bring on Chrissy and put her in front of a microphone, give her an opportunity to talk to our listeners out there. And Chrissy is the one I always talk about. You can call or text her anytime you want at 407-808-8398. So she's got a good sense of what's going on out with our listeners and clients out there. And, you know, one thing that happened was kind of cool this past week, Chrissy, was that we did a workshop on wills, trust, and probate. I think we did that on Thursday. And as always in the workshops, I always introduce, this is Chrissy. She's a law school graduate. She'll be taking the bar exam. She assists me with will, trust, and probate. And, you know, we get to the point where I'm saying we had 15 or 16 people in there, and does anybody have any questions? And one of our attendees said, yeah, when are you going to introduce your fiance? So the workshop got off track, and we took time to talk about our engagement and show everybody your engagement ring.
It was really wonderful because those people, they loved hearing about, a lot of them, it was that they heard about it, you talk about it on the radio. And so they are there for the workshop, but it was important to them to hear again about our story.
Yes. So what else is going on with our listeners and clients?
Tom, this week I received numerous calls about people that are buying real estate for the purposes of investment, and they want to be able to have your advice about should they create a land trust for purposes of buying this investment property.
Okay. Well, that's a very interesting question. Something we want to talk about sometime on one of these radio shows.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So that's what, again, numerous calls this week. And there was also somebody that was asking about that in one of the workshops too. Okay.
Well, let's leave it like this. If somebody out there has a question about a land trust and buying investment property in a land trust, they're welcome to give us a call here in the studio right now at 407-297-9696. Chrissy, thanks for coming on with us.
Thank you, Tom.
All
Bye.
right. And don't forget, you can call or text Chrissy anytime, 407-808-8398. And she's always available to talk to you about our workshops on wills, trusts, and avoiding probate, or about enhanced life estate deeds, or if you just want to have some kind of emergency matter, again, you can call or text her anytime, 407-808-8398.